One thing you've mentioned a few times is concurrency, and there's a question here from Yixi who says, when would Chris like to see his concurrency manifesto be implemented? And this is a when question. Do you think it's an Swift 6, Swift 8, Swift 18?
Swift 3 would have been better. Is that an option? In the parallel universe when anything is possible. So I don't know when it will happen. I suspect that this will be a pretty high priority. A lot of it comes down to getting the model right, and I feel like over the course of the last few years, we as a community have been slow baking some of these ideas. I think that there's quite good consensus that asyncawait is the right way to go now. When that manifesto was first written, that was not clear to people. In fact, the entire reason I wrote that manifesto is because I was accused by certain people of taking the language on a random walk. And they're like, no, you just think that asyncawait is a cool thing to do. And I'm like, no, actually, this is continuous with a very nice feature that could do lots of different things. And I think that over the course of several years, the community's kind of come around to that, and I think that people generally think that would be the right way to go. Now, there's still implementation decisions, and I think that a lot of the discussion I've seen gets confused between what is asyncawait versus what is the threading model, the runtime, the how do stacks get managed, how do processes get spun up, do you have lightweight threads or heavyweight threads, like all that kind of stuff, which is actually quite orthogonal to asyncawait. And so what I advocate for in this space is simple features that are orthogonal to each other that compose well. And so asyncawait is what's called an effect on a function so that you can tag it, kind of like throws, combined with a simple state machine transformation. And that's it, in my opinion. Right? Plus some standard library helper functions and things like that. Just doing that is a pretty bounded amount of work and would allow a lot of really nice APIs. And then you push through and you say, well, what is the threading model? What is these other pieces? And you do that in a staged manner so you get experience with it. But so I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't speculate when a specific thing will happen. But I feel like it's getting closer, and so I feel like it could come in the next year or two.
Yeah, I'm certainly looking forward to it.
Again, Swift 3 would have been better. But.
I'm certainly looking forward to it. I know a lot of folks are, because you see it in JavaScript has it, C# has it, and it does reduce that complexity. And also another place where the Pyramid of Doom does come out a little bit, because it makes your code just simpler to read. It's a boulder, as you said earlier.
Yep, absolutely, I agree. But and it's also it's the leading edge of a sword towards a bigger concurrency model as well. So it's one of these necessary but insufficient features.